Here's a little drill bit holder that I've always wanted to make, and I just laid out a simple array of 35 holes that's 7 wide and 5 deep. Ran a 5/16 inch drill to make all the holes, and what you see now is the countersink going around and just smoothing the top edge of the holes. I later cut this off on the line that you see and mounted some standoffs so that it raised the holes up above the backer board, and it allowed me to stand the drill bits up. And I built a little shelf above the workbench to put this on so that I could actually lift it off of the shelf and pick out what drill bit I wanted, or take it to the workbench and use it.